Oh my god. The Doyen has arrived today. Yes, I put an order in for this one in April last year because it really does sell when they make runs of these. Welcome to the Accurascale Class 37. I brought out the old Bachmann version of it from 2013 for comparison, which when we've run through a few sounds and I'll get it to couple up to that freight train, we can compare it, okay? But before we start her up, and boy does she start up, and this is all the sound functions that come with it, this card, and there's two sides to that. There's at least over 20 different sound functions with it. Got a lovely bass speaker. I fitted the crew in, as you can see there, driver and second man. The second man is sort of seems to be looking down at something. Something might have dropped on the floor, but I'm happy with him in there like that, and you'll see that when the cab lights are on. What you get with it, just to start off with, is a booklet in the old BR style driver's handbook. Instead they put their name, Accurascale. That would have said British Railway, and it's like weathered clips. They're not really weathered, it's just put on the print. And I'll just show you this. It comes with all the details of the loco liveries and stuff, and history of Class 37 really, and when they were first built. Alright, availability, history of the Class 37. The outside is a lovely touch, and look, tea stains on the back. They're not really there, that's Accurascale put them on there. And there's another thing, driver login, maintenance log. Really nice touch. So yeah, this is how much detail Accurascale go into. Alright, the original English Electric adverts and whatnot. Yeah, it's all this. It's about a 22 page booklet. You also get the operating manual there, which is exploded diagram of all the parts in it and how to get the body off. This is nice. You get all the parts to fit on. You've got buffing detail there and snow plows. In this box, see that little black thing there, this little black square, there's two of those. They are etched metal English Electric nameplates, alright? They go just underneath the door, I think. Let's have a look where they go. No, they go underneath the window there. Let's get the find one screwdriver to demonstrate that. Alright, they go there, just there. Alright, you get etched metal plates. There are probably 4 of them in there, plus the frost grills in there as well. What touches do they go to? Wow. Yeah, it's got a lovely detailed fan on it. It doesn't work, but it doesn't matter. It's just fabulous. One of the problems that one of the earlier batches had was the chains from the bogie. Now, I'm not sure that, yeah, it has got them. And what I'm talking about, see that chain hanging down there? Let's get a screwdriver on it. This one here, this chain, that's actually, see it moving there? Look, they were causing problems and coming off. There's a tiny little pin that was coming out, but they've changed the design of that, so to get the body off you don't have to muck about getting the chain off. Right, I've put my same with the driver in there. The body comes off really easily, and this part here lifts off. This just lifts out if you needed to get the decoder out or get inside it. You don't have to take the body off. Really, it's held on by magnets, 4 magnets each corner. Fabulous detail everywhere you look. Now they're exactly the same length as the Bachmann one. That's That's from 2013, and that wasn't bad in 2013, I'll tell you that now. But I noticed they've left the horns off the Bachmann one, whereas they've got them on the Accurascale, unless the horns were in a different place on the split head code, because that's a split head code 37, and this is a single head code panel, right? The Bachmann doesn't have sprung buffers like the all super duper Accurascale one, but and it's got the Timken roller bearings picked out. But yeah, this is D6600 early production batch. I think this was numbered like that because they run out of numbers. So the D66 series were always, there was only about 10 of them built with 66 numbers on. The rest were D67. They started at D67, but these were built later, if that makes any sense. First loco of the class was D6700, which is preserved. Last I saw it on the Great Central Railway. It's in working order. It's owned by the National Railway Museum, I believe. Yeah, anyway, fabulous model detail. You're itching to hear it go, and I kept going on about the Accura Thrash. Yeah, let's start her up and see what you think. Get ready. That's the door. Now, hear that sort of, it's got a lovely bass speaker in this to achieve that sound, and when it gets going you'll hear it. I'll get it running on that goods train now. What I'm going to do is show you, I'll put the cab lights on next, so that's shift 20. Hopefully they'll come on. Let's see. Now we've got cab lights on. Can't really see, can you? Might be better if I turn the lights off. I'll do that. Bear with me while I do that. Turn the lights off and get some more of the features that Loco's got. Right, have we got the cab lights on? Could have. Trouble is I've got bright lights shining on it. Only one way to find out, and that's to turn them off. Ah, cab lights come on now. And if you saw that, cab lights are on. Let's go in and have a look. Must be careful because I'll short everything out. Alright, working cab lights. This is fitted with working desk lights. So let's see if I can demonstrate that to you. Let's turn the cab lights off. The cab lights will go off automatically as the loco moves off. You can't control them because they're not supposed to run with the cab lights on, although I have heard different stories about that. Shift 21. Oh, that's the engine room lights on. I don't know if you can see that. These little windows, there's engine room lights. See them little square windows there? There's lights inside there, engine room lights. Shift 19 is the driver's desk control lights. And they've just come on, I've just seen it. See if we can zoom in and I'll show you that. See in there? Wow, look at that. And the driver's desk control lights, I'll turn them off. There you go. Got them in both ends. Put them back on again. Shift. And on. Takes a few seconds for it to come on. It's got rail joint noise. It's got some guard's whistle. But there's all the functions. Rail joints got shift F16. So have a listen. You hear that? Do it again. Shift 16. Shift 16. You have to turn it off. High tone horn number 3. Low tone number 4. You've got a 2-tone sound on it as well for horn. Turn that round. Sorry, we'll get it going in a minute. We've already been 10 minutes and we haven't even started it. Night lights on, depot, cab door, radiator fan. Let's just hear it go now, I think. Brakes off. Wow. Look at that. Now that's why I got it. Beautiful. That is a proper lovely sound of a car 37. I'll slow it down because I want you to hear just a couple more of the features before we there's a twin tone horn I want to try and get going. And there's flange squeal as well, so I haven't done that one yet. That's F11. Oops, sorry the camera, I'm trying to do too many things at once. Shift 1. Flange squeal. I've done over rusty rails, see? But you have to turn it off, it won't go off automatic. Shift F11. Turned it off. Yeah, it's got loads of features and I love it. I love it. Well worth the wait. Let's slow it down. I've already put it in reverse so you can see the cab lights. There's lovely little sounds. Now we're going to reverse it round, do a freight train run and then say goodbye. It's better in the dark, isn't it? Put a flange squeal. driver will jump down and guide it forward till the buffer's touched. Now I know that that is not gonna couple up, but we'll bring it forward a bit anyway. Let's see if it does. It's out of alignment, see? I'll stop it there. That's because it's on a curve, you see. So what I do, I move these trucks back and I take her forward to do it. Got it. Okay. Cab light should come on this direction. If I've left them on, I can't remember. Maybe I haven't. There's a twin tone horn, I want to do it before it sits off. What is that? F9 is a two-tone horn. Let's do F9. I don't think I've done that one yet. Slowly over the points, don't want any derailments. Make sure everything's on the track. This is the first training, though. Let's hope it lasts me many years. I've had that one 13 years, no problems with it. Say I was going to get rid of it, but I might run them in the future in tandem, see how it goes and do a bit. Wow. She has spoken. So never mind about that. Okay, and that is more or less it. The Accurascale Class 37, fantastic. They really are putting the other manufacturers to shame, like Bachmann and Hornby, you know. New kid on the block, and yeah, they got the Delta. Oh look, you can see the crew there really well. He's looking down at something. Second man, the driver is on the left hand side. They even tell you where the driver is in the instructions. He sits on the left on these. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that 20-minute video of the long awaited Accurascale Class 37. I've been waiting ages for this. I've got some other locos that I'm waiting for, but I have to wait to see. Alright, nice talking to you. See you later. Bye.